Good morning guys, and welcome to part 3 of living with the e92 M3. Now today we are off to visit Surrey Rolling Road. For those that follow the channel, see I go there quite a lot. It's good to get an indication of how the car's running and obviously what power output, because it can advise you if there are problems or issues. So we're hoping today to see about 390, 400 horsepower. They do struggle to make book figure. Most that I've seen make anywhere from 370 right over to 400. The book figure officially I believe is 415 PS, which is about 420 horsepower at the fly. So I'll try and get the figures for the American guys in wheel horsepower as well, because I know that caused a lot of confusion with the last video, because everyone thought, wow, it's great, it's putting out big numbers. But in the UK we tend to use flywheel power because it looks better. So follow us on this video where we take the M3 to the rolling road. So the only upgrade the car has got is the K&N intake system. Now, when I first bought the car, I was quite gutted that it didn't have the standard airbox, because I know it's a really good system. But saying that, as time's gone on, I've found out that the stock induction elbow is heavily restricted. Whereas I'll put a link into the video for the kit I'm running, and this little video here that shows you how smooth the transition is from the air filter to the main plenum chamber on the car. It does seem like a really good little bit of kit. The biggest flaw it did have was the heat shield is not fully sort of sealed. So what I did is I had some leftover heat foil from the Clio. It's actually used the wrong way around, but it should keep obviously like a cool air chamber in there. But yeah, we'll see what it does today. Fingers crossed we break 400 horsepower, but I've had my heart broken at Surrey Rolling Road before, so I won't get caught up on it. We'll just put it on the rollers, see what it puts out. If everything's win, we'll go for a little drive afterwards and try and actually use the V8 as the roads have dried up a little bit, although as you can probably see on the window, it is a little bit fresh out. But yeah, stay with us guys until we get to the rolling road. So back home, one happy boy indeed. 425.8 horsepower was the final run. Now, it wasn't all plain sailing. Unfortunately, the car was refusing to rev out on the rolling road at first. Looking on the forums, it did appear to be a common problem with the DCT cars, but a few runs eventually locked it in gear and managed 3 consistent pulls. The first one doing 420, 425 and then 425.8 on the final run. So really happy with the outcome. Obviously the heat shield must have done something, because the power was there. The torque is really good. Really happy with everything that's come together on the car. So yeah, now the question is, do I put it forward to get the pre-cats removed and get it remapped and potentially see 450 horsepower naturally aspirated? Now I am searching for a little more noise, even with the 2-pipe mod on the car currently, so could really tie it all in together. But like I say, the weather's picking up now. The E46 is going to be coming out, so we'll have some more on the E92, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.